Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 26 on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now go to settings and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough space for you to download and install the latest version of software. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, and then tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Then go back and now you have to simply go back to the settings again and now go to screen time, and from here scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions. And now you have to go back and now go to general section again and go to software update, and here you will get the latest updates on your iPhone. So guys, you have to simply wait for the 9 June, and after this you will be able to get the updates on your iPhone after 9 June. So guys, hopefully after this you will be able to install the latest version, that is iOS 26, on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.